Next, if you want to know the definition of any word, we want to understand the meaning of any word, we can search for the definition just by using a tab, define and colon. Okay, and here you need to put in your word. Let's say I want to understand what I mean by a mattress. So define mattress. Or maybe we square, square, define a square. Okay, so here it will give you definition of the square. Let's say if I remove this word define from here, this tag define from here, and click on search, now it will give you the website as per their search engine rankings which contain the word square. Okay, it will not define that. So if you need to have a definition of some word, if you need to have meaning, you need to use define. Let's say I have images here, so define images. Okay, so it will pull up the dictionary, and immediately the first thing it will give you is to the definition. So in future, if you have stuck for understanding the meaning of something, you want to have a good definition of something, you can use Google. Go to Google, use the tag define colon and the word, bang on, you are done.